stop by for lunch. Ayan.
Mom, if we have a spicy versus sour challenge, go for Aldo.
Yeah. Eat your food.
I love sour stuff, so I will win sour stuff.
Sarap.
Oh,
Ayan na, that's it.
Dad, look.
You like it?
Yeah, it's very good.
You can use your spoon for the cherry.
Stop it.
Good job, Pat. You finish your food. Come on. Hold on, Yana. Let me do it, okay?
I got it.
Pineapple upside down cheese Hershey's. Cheesecake. Hershey's chocolate cheesecake. Yum. Sarap. Dito ako ngayon guys sa may Seafoods Market Las Vegas guys. Mamimili. Kasi talagang madadaanan naman talaga namin ito guys. Kaya nag-stop na lang kami. Mamimili ako ng konti guys. Maraming klase. Ito yung Jeff Brooks. Ayan. Tapos na ako guys, namili. Yung kambal at yung asawa ko andoon sa truck at camper. Sa camper sila sa loob habang nagmimili ako. Para hindi sila kasama sa akin guys. So, dala naman namin yung camper. I need na guys. Dito na ako guys. Nandyan yung camper. Nandyan sila sa loob. Papasok muna itong mga pinamili ko guys. Hi guys! So, meron ako dito. Pakita ko sa inyo ito guys. So, ayan guys. Meron akong kangkong. Binili ko doon sa Asian Market. Yung dumaan kami ng Las Vegas. Galing California. Tapos, isisigang ko ito guys with the salmon na ulo. Ayan, wala, ewan. Feeling ko lang gusto ko magkangkong. Because isisigang ko siya sa ulo ng salmon. Tapos, meron din namang sitaw. Pero parang gusto ko siyang adobohin, guys. Yung walang sahog, yung adobo lang, tuyo at suka lang. Nakikrave lang ako. Tapos, meron din ako, 6 yung binili ko nito. Pero isa lang yung piprituhin ko. Anong tawag dito? Parang Indian mackerel, guys. Piprituhin ko rin yan. So, hindi ko lahat lulutuin guys. Yung iba nandoon sa freezer. Kahit ito, kalahati lang din yung lulutuin ko. Masarap to siya guys ha. Sinigang. Ayan, it's a luto day. Tapos, meron din akong biniling mabawang lansa yung isda. Biniling chicken gizzard guys. Doon din sa Asian Market. Ito guys. Ayan. Yan ang gizzard. So, lulutuin ko rin yan, guys. So, meron tayong aadobohin ko itong chicken gizzard. Tapos, adobong sitaw. Sinigang na kangkong na may ulo ng salmon. At magpiprito rin ako ng mackerel. Yan. Yan ang menu for the day. Tapos dito naman guys, yung kanin guys. Nagsasaing na ako. Ayan. Yun. Ayan guys, yung kangkong. Malinis na siya guys. Ito yung mga lamas niya. At ito yung isda, guys. Luto na tayo. Isahin muna natin ng konti, guys, yung mga sibuyas, kamatis at luya. Sinigang fish head. Yeah, for you get rid. If you can just eat our food, you know. For us it's fish, for him is rib. So isisimmer ko muna yung isda, guys, para mawala yung lansa ng salmon head. Kaya nilagyan ko ng luya. Pampalasa at pampawala din ng lansa. Ayan, guys. Tumawa yung asawa ko. Ano daw yung niluluto? O, sabi ko sinigang. Sabi niya, no way, I'm gonna get a ribs. Diba? So habang sinisimmer ko yung isda, guys, ay hihiwain ko na din itong sitaw. Sarap nito, guys. Namiss ko ang adobong sitaw, guys. Hindi ko kasi ito halos mabili dito, guys, kahit sa Walmart. Minsan meron, minsan wala, pero mostly wala talaga. Masarap kasi ang sitaw, guys, diba? Kahit wala siyang sahog. Yung ano lang, adobo mo lang siya. Toyo suka, masarap yun. Ayan, na-simmer na siya, guys. Lagyan ko na siya ng tubig. Ayan. Ilagay ko na rin yung sinigang powder, guys. Ayan, dagdagan ko na lang ng tubig din. Gusto ko maraming sabaw kasi yung kambal mahilig sa sabaw. Ayan. Mas masarap maraming sabaw kasi. Takpan natin. Ayan. Lagyan ko pala ng paminta, guys. Hintayin natin hanggang kumulo. Ituloy ko na din itong paghiwa, guys, ng sitaw. Pero may dental appointment pa si Ariana, guys, ng 12:30. So, hindi ko muna ito maluluto, itong sitaw at saka yung chicken gizzard at saka yung isda. Ito lang muna sabaw. So, pakain ako ng madalian. Mayang hapon ko na lang ito. Pagbalik namin galing dental appointment, saka ko lulutuin itong sitaw. Si Ariana, guys, yung ngipin niya, tumubo na yung permanent teeth niya dito. Pero yung dalawa, yung two bottom teeth, hindi pa siya natatanggal. Ang tibay pa, guys, hindi pa siya nag-wiggle. Kaya dadalhin namin siya ngayon sa dental niya. Kasi baka anong tawag doon? Aalisin na lang. Kumukulo na siya, guys, yung sinigang. Dagdag ako ng konting asin. Yan. Lagyan ko ng konting asin, guys. Sarap na siya. Perfect na yung lasa. Ilalagay ko na lang yung kangkong. Ilalagay ko na yung kangkong, guys. Ulo. pamulo. Ayan, luto na siya guys. Ayan, ang bango. Ayan. Kain muna ako guys. Sarap. Gutom na gutom ako guys. Madali ang kain. Sarap ng kangkong, grabe.
Huh?
You didn't want it to clean, just like the exam.
Exam, yeah, and then we'll get an assessment, and then we'll work, because she has to come back. She had an assessment done
Okay,
a week and a half ago, and she's coming back the 10th.
okay. Perfect. Okay, please next to your knees. I'm just gonna have you open and then bite your teeth down. Actually open.
These ones to
Dito
speak,
na kami guys.
we're just gonna
sa
slowly
dentist.
brush, okay?
Si Papi.
Second, I wanna get these first. Okay, open real good for me.
Ariana.
If anything feels pinchy pokey, you just raise your hand and we'll stop, okay? But it's gonna be real cold, okay? Good job. Here we go. It's just gonna be kinda cold.
Yeah,
Big piece to your mouth.
it's okay. Good job,
Doing
Yana.
okay? Good, keep breathing good.
Wow. See, Ariana is brave, yeah? Ariana is brave.
Big, big deep breaths. Keep breathing big. We're almost done. Good job. Our blue flashlight. We gotta use that blue flashlight one more time. And then we'll take that toothpick out, okay? You're doing great. Good job. Almost there. 5 more seconds. Let's count it out. 1,
Wow.
2,
Good job.
3,
You're okay.
4, and 5. Good job. Look, we took the toothpick out. So now we're just gonna give it a...
Focus on what you want to
Here
do
we
this
go.
summer.
1, 2, 3. Push. Good job. Okay.
That's it. Great job.
Here we go. We're just painting again. Weird noises.
I cannot hear anything.
That's
You're
good.
okay. You're doing good, Anna. Very good.
Ah.
You're doing great, Anna.
You are almost.
You were there when we pulled her teeth out. You know what happened.
Daddy.
But
Good job,
Oh,
Ariana.
seafood too.
You did so good. I'm so proud of Ariana.
Oh, the seafood.
All in one.
Can I see? Can I see? Ah!
Wow. So we're here in Costco naman, guys. After ng dental appointment, dito kami sa Costco. Mag-quick grocery lang. Yeah, you can try that one. Oh, here. Yeah. You got one. Oh.
Mom, I'll get this thing over there.
Oh my goodness. Okay. It's good.
I'm getting that out.
Did you got some? Okay. Free taste. Oh, these are the chips and the ham. Okay, there.
When you put it down.
Kumukuha ng mga free taste.
Those are mine. These are mine.
What happened? Oh. Oh, what was that? Yeah, we get to get another box. We don't need the big water, huh? The gallon? Oh, they don't have any? Oh. But we have extra, right? Oh, okay. Tapos na kami, guys. Dito sa Costco. Guys, sinahog ko na lang yung chicken gizzard sa adobong sitaw ko kasi adobo rin naman talaga yung gagawin ko para isang luto na lang.
It looks scary. It looks scary. I told Mama.
These are